Hello, today we will guide you through how to edit categories in QuickBooks Online. In QuickBooks Online, categories are managed through the chart of accounts. These accounts are the labels you use to categorize income, expenses, assets, and liabilities on transactions and reports. In this walkthrough, we'll update your categories by creating a new account, which is the standard way to add or refine what you can categorize to. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. From the left-hand navigation, move your mouse over the accounting section to reveal its options. This is your hub for everything related to accounts and reconciliation. From here, open the chart of accounts. You'll see a list of all the categories currently available in your books, along with their types and balances. This view helps you confirm whether a category already exists or if you truly need a new one. To add a new category, choose the option to create a new account. A setup panel will appear. Begin by entering an account name. Pick something clear and specific so you and your team can recognize it instantly when categorizing transactions. Good names help keep your books consistent and make reports easier to read. You can keep it short, but avoid abbreviations that others might not understand. Next, choose the account type. This selection controls how the account shows up on your financial statements. For example, an expense type will appear on your profit and loss, while types like bank, credit card, or fixed asset will appear on your balance sheet. Take a moment here. The right type ensures accurate reporting and prevents rework later. Then select the detail type. This is a more specific descriptor within the broader account type. Choose the option that best matches the purpose of the account. Picking the closest match helps QuickBooks group information correctly and can improve clarity in reports and filters. Once you've entered the name and selected the account and detail types, review your choices. This is a great time to double-check spelling, confirm that the type aligns with how you'll use the category, and make sure the detail type describes it well. If your organization uses internal naming conventions, match those so everything stays consistent across your books. When everything looks right, click Save. Your new category will now appear in the chart of accounts and be available for use when you categorize transactions, build rules, or run reports. Adding accounts thoughtfully like this keeps your data clean, your reporting reliable, and your workflow smooth.